What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. CZ has been on a tirade. CZ's warning us constantly, man. Warning the Tonic fam, the Crow fam constantly. There's about to be some crazy things that happen, and we're gonna check it out here. We're gonna dive deep into it. A lot of people be like, well, you know, that's impossible, that's not gonna happen, that's not realistic. Anything is possible in crypto. There's so much untapped potential for the project Tonic, guys. No other tier 1 exchange listings, only crypto.com, and that's it. No other top exchange listings. And you don't think this project could get there in the future with its great innovative utility, with its lending and borrowing, with so much in TVL? That's a lot. The TVL for Tonic is almost the same amount of some layer 1 blockchains. It's huge. Pause. It has great TVL, man, and people are not, you know, paying attention. $235 million in TVL, more than VVS Finance, the literal swap for Chronos chain, the top DEX on Chronos chain. 193 million. Now obviously TVL for Crow is falling, and that is fine because, you know, we're in this choppy market. But as soon as we see the moment where retail starts flowing in, more and more bullish news comes out. The Fed say they're gonna pause interest rates. You know, they're gonna add liquidity to the market. You're gonna see the slow build start to pop. And just like how Tonic made this huge 300% move, or 200% move, my apologies, 3x from 10 million to 30 million, right? Just like how it did that in like what, a few days. Well, how long did it take? Yeah, a few days to do that. Just huge move to the upside. And yeah, you're gonna see that happen more and more often, guys. That's just one of the first moves. I'm telling you guys. It's clear as day. This is one of the fundamentally strong projects. I keep saying it. I don't know why people are worried and not thinking. Yo, okay, just think. If Bitcoin is doing bad, guess what's doing bad? Tonic. If Bitcoin is doing good, guess what's doing good? Tonic, Crow. Look, we were falling off a cliff. Tonic has never experienced a bull market. Dude, that's so crazy. Look at it, following Bitcoin's chart, man. Look at it, following the lead market mover like it's to a T, right? And it's the same thing if you compare Tonic to the Crow chart, because it's obviously following its lead ecosystem project, right? Look, Tonic compared to Crow. Literally the same chart, guys. Look, it's right here. And then boom, Crow said, oh, I'm gonna pump. Oh, Bitcoin's pumping. Oh, I'm gonna pump too. And then Tonic followed, right? Now we're having a retrace today. Bitcoin dumped, so Crow dumped, and then Tonic dumped. That's all that happened. Bitcoin dumped, so Crow dumped, and then Tonic dumped. I have the flowchart in one of my videos right here. Only 188 views for this. Who else is giving you guys this type of content? I gotta top my stuff now. I gotta top my stuff now. Look, look at my flowchart. Look, fiat, Bitcoin, large caps, mid caps, low caps. Bitcoin makes its move, then Crow, then VVS, then Tonic. Right, so that's what we're seeing. You know, Tonic down 4%. The reason why is because of the dump in Bitcoin. So Crow dumps, then Tonic dumps, right? CZ, however, like I said, has been going on a tirade and is warning us that something big may happen. Don't fade CZ. Anytime he talks about bullish type of tweets and he says not financial advice, that's when you start to see the market start to get super bullish, or some bullish stuff happens, or something happens that the market starts to get, you know, starts to have a move up, right? Start to have a move up, especially with the dump that happened in Bitcoin. He made a tweet about the dip. When the dump happened, he made a tweet about the dip, and I'm like, man, crypto is so manipulated. This man CZ probably got a lot of suits that are, you know, in cahoots with him, you know, like kind of controlling the market. And I know it, bro. I know it. I know that's what's happening, man. and we gotta heed these warnings carefully, guys. Like I said, so much untapped potential for TONIC to be listed on tier 1 exchanges like Binance, Coinbase. You can't rule it out, especially with Coinbase and the experimental asset label. That is a possibility for TONIC. And we're gonna dive into the CZ tweets, right? If you are finding any value at all, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, become a channel member, or hit the boy with a super comment. You know, it really helps the channel out. Being a channel member, I'll give you guys shout outs and, you know, updates. Anytime I find any type of information, I'll give you guys that information early, right? Look at what CZ tweeted. The more they attack us, the stronger we become. And that I instantly thought of the TONIC community, how, you know, there's people that are fronting constantly. They are pushing back and hating constantly. The more they attack us, the stronger we become. And this is a fact, right? The more they fund, the more they try to push us down, the more we're gonna accumulate and blow past them and prove them wrong. It's only a matter of time for the TONIC community, the TONIC team, to prove all the doubters wrong. Just be patient. Don't say, if you have 1 billion TONIC, you have 10 billion, you have 20 billion, no matter the amount, don't sell your TONIC. Just be patient. Not financial advice. DCA, if you can afford to lose the amount. DCA, diamond hand, wait for the bull. It is that simple, guys. Look at what CZ is saying. The more they attack us, the stronger we become. Look at this symbol 4. What does the 4 mean? What does it mean? $4 billion in TONIC? TONIC's market cap goes to 4 billion. What do you guys think? Hey, I wouldn't rule it out. 4 billion. Remember I said 400x. You know, if meme coins could go to 7 billion in the last bull cycle, why can't TONIC? They had a meme coin that went to $7 billion in the last cycle, man. What? And TONIC can't get to 4. Come on. I'm gonna be more, you know, reserved than say the 100x. You know, from 10 million to 1 billion would be 100x. Or 1 to 2 billion for TONIC. I wouldn't rule that out though, that's for sure. Guys, we could see that CZ is definitely putting out some hints and warnings. What could happen to the market? Are we gonna start to turn bullish once again? After that BTC dump, will things just flip around? Is CZ warning us, guys? I really think he's warning us of what's to come. This move that we got right here, that 3x for TONIC, it's only a matter of time until we start to see 4x, 2x, 3x, 10x. Straight to 200 million, 500 million, $1 billion in market cap. It's just patience. Some people are often jealous of others who bought the last dip. Don't be that guy tomorrow. Not financial advice, not calling dips or tops, just saying in general. He has been on a tirade with these types of tweets, guys. These cryptic tweets, right? And then all of a sudden, you see the market get bullish. You see the market does this. You see the market does that. What he's saying right now, you see that dip in Bitcoin that happened. People are often jealous of others who bought the last dip. Don't be that guy tomorrow. Not financial advice, not calling dips or tops, just saying in general. He's literally telling y'all, this dip right now, don't worry about it. Buy the dip. That's what he's saying. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but that's what he's saying, y'all. That is what CZ is saying right here. Now is when you DCA, diamond hand, wait for the bull. Don't sell, wait. Be patient. Why are you worried about people that are fudding? They don't know what they're talking about. It's patience. Patience pays. I'm telling you, man. Patience pays. Look at these charts, man. It's right there. When TONIC has never experienced a bull run, bro. Imagine what. Yo, I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen for TONIC in the bull, man. It's gonna be crazy, guys. But yeah, not financial advice as well from me, but always do your own research as always, guys. But right now, what you're supposed to be doing is just, you know, constantly, when you have money that you're willing to lose, obviously, just buy a bit here, buy a bit there. It goes lower, you buy a bit here, buy a bit there, and then you just wait When the market turns around, you're satisfied with your bag. Even if you have 1 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion, you just wait. 10x, 20x, 30x, that's great gains. You have $1,000 invested to $10,000, $30,000. You have $5,000 invested, 10x, 50,000, 20x, $100,000. That's great gains. Okay, that is great gains. The stock market, you'll never see gains like that. Stock market, the most you get is 100% move, a 2x after 5 years. What? Not in crypto. So these are the type of things that I'm trying to explain to you guys, because there's always, how I see it, we're still super early. And right here, I say less than 1% of people in the US have completed a direct on-chain transaction or even used ETH, from Alex Becker, huge content creator in the space. So I'd still say it's safe to say we are early, even if it doesn't seem like it. Less than 1% of people have even used Ethereum, have even used a DeFi wallet. Crow, you see how you swap Crow on VVS, right? You see how you swap on VVS, guys? How much people do you think have DeFi wallets? Not many. We are so early. We are super early. So there's going to be I really think there's going to be many more cycles to come, right? Bitcoin will be a lot more stable, on its way to 500k to 1 million whenever that happens over the next years. But there's going to be many more cycles to come. Think of the mindset of an investor. I'm going to make this amount this cycle, and then I'm going to make 20 to 30k for this cycle, 50k for this cycle. I'm going to try to sell as close to the top as possible, take a good amount of that gains and put it in at the bottom of the next cycle, and then rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Think in the mind of an investor here, guys. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you so much for tuning in. We are still early. It's so great, man. You guys, man, thank y'all so much for the support, Tonic fam. I'm feeling super happy. Even though the market is down, I'm happy because, you know, once your bags are packed, you ain't got nothing to worry about. If it dips, I don't care. I'll be waiting for the bull. That's when I'm thinking about taking profits, okay? I don't care. Yeah, shout outs to all of you for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support with a super comment, I'd really appreciate it. Or become a channel member for updates and shout outs. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.